We're at the hospital. Administrator's right.
Oh, where's my destination, sir?
Get in there. Get out of my car now.
Where's my destination?
Out of my car now.
I don't know where I am. Can you tell me where's my destination? You kindly.
But put in the destinations right here was at your destination. It's over. Get out of my car now.
But it says 1750, sir.
Car now.
Sir, it said...
Of my car now.
Why are you yelling at me?
'Cause you won't effing get out of my car.
But you're not to yell at me. You want...
9, 1.
Do it. Do it. Do it.
Get out right effing now. Get out of my car. I'm facing a total moron. Get out. Now. Now.
You don't have the right to scream at me.
I will effing talk to you any goddamn way I want.
Really?
Yes, I effing will. And I have the right.
Where am I?
You're at the hospital. You need to get out of my car. Yellow. Can you get out of my car, please?